Shenzhen RJC Industrial Company Limited was established in 2014. After years of development, it has grown into a well-known supplier and professional company engaged in the research, development, sales, service of plastic molds, injection molding, and CNC processing. RJC is located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation and a plant area of 6,000 square meters. RJC is committed to providing thoughtful service and strict quality control of production. The injection molding workshop has over 20 machines from 50-ton to 650-ton, cover all mold sizes in the mold workshop. The CNC processing workshop has over 50 machines with an accuracy of 10 micrometer. RJC has an excellent team focused on product development, custom manufacturing, and has established a modern quality management system in strict accordance with international standards and has obtained ISO 9001, IATF 16949 certificates in order to provide customers satisfactory services. The value of RJC is rapid, joyful, creative. The vision is to become a leader in the field of custom processing. RJC's service has been widely praised in the US, the EU. Whether seeking OEM services or engineering support for application, customers can discuss the procurement needs or new ideas with technical service team. Contact us now and seek the future with us.